This is an urgent weather message from the National Weather Service for the following counties: Oakland County, Michigan, and Macomb County, Michigan. The National Weather Service in Detroit Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Oakland County in southeastern Michigan, southwestern Macomb County in southeastern Michigan, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Pontiac, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Troy around 9:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Rochester around 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and Sterling Heights around 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Rochester Hills, Kego Harbor, Stony Creek Metro Park, Shelby Township, Sylvan Lake, Utica, Washington, Auburn Hills, Lake Angeles, and Bloomfield Hills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.